So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view today's financial news here through Google Finance. So once you're in Google Finance, go to the very bottom here to where it says today's financial news, then just scroll down. Then once you're here, you can view a whole bunch of different articles on the top stories, the local markets. So this would pertain to Canada for me, or the world market. So whatever you're looking for. So for example, if you wanted to do to top stories, for instance, and you wanted to view this one by the Globe and Mail, you can go ahead and press on that. And it'll actually just take you to the Globe and Mail website right here. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view today's financial news on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.